How to remove all Instagram likes at once. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove the Instagram likes at once, it is pretty simple. Start off by launching your Instagram app in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your Instagram account. If you have not yet, just go ahead and log in using your credential. Once you have successfully logged in into your account, at the bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. From here, you need to navigate to the three horizontal line at the top. Then it will display all of the settings and activity option. Within how you use Instagram, navigate to the option of your activity and click on it. Under interaction at the top, you will see the option of like. Tap on the option. In this section, you will find every post you have liked so far. Now to remove at once, tap on the select button. Then go ahead and select on the every post. Then at the bottom, you will see the option of unlike. Go ahead and click on it. Then again, tap on unlike for confirmation. And just like that, you have disliked every post on your Instagram account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon. So make sure to go ahead